Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the Tokyo Olympic Sports 2021 about rugby. Rugby returned to the Olympic program at Rio 2016 when the Sevens format provided a captivating showcase for his energetic and thrilling team sport. Aim of the game known simply as rugby. Rugby union is a full contact sport involving 15 players on each team with 7 substitutes on the bench. The aim of the game is to score more points than the other side, and points are scored through tries, conversion, penalty kicks and drop goals. Overview. The aim of rugby is to convey an oval-shaped ball to the goal line located at the opposing team's end of the field and earn points for doing so. This is achieved by running with the ball, passing and kicking it. Rugby differs from other ball sports in that the ball must be passed backwards between players as they advance towards their opponent's try line. Much of the sport's appeal lies in the players' speedy interplay and total commitment. Rugby's root can be traced back to the sport of football as it was played in English public school during the 19th century. During a football match at rugby school in 1823, a young player named William Webb Ellis suddenly picked up the ball and ran with it towards the goal. His act marked the creation of a totally new sport. Rugby school gave the sport its name and developed its first set of rules. The Rugby Football Union was founded in 1871 and the International Rugby Board, now known as World Rugby, was established in 1886. Today, different types of rugby union are played around the world, rugby and rugby sevens, with various competition taking place. Rugby was played at Paris 19th, London 1908, Antwerp 1920 and Paris 1924, the men's team only, after which came a long absence until the sport returned in its 7-a-side format at the Rio 2016 Games. A women's competition was also held for the first time in Rio. Event program: 12-team tournament, men and women. Essence of the sport: intense action and crunching tackles. Rugby sevens is played on the same field of play as the 15-a-side game with pitch dimensions that are 100 meter into 70 meter. The result of fewer players on the same size field is a faster paced game with more running, more tackles and more tries. Unlike the 15-a-side game, which comprises 240 minutes halves, the period of time for 7 matches in Olympic Games are 14 minutes, comprised of 2 7-minute halves. Despite the shorter halves, a rugby 7 players has to be incredible fit, powerful and skilled to compete at the highest level of the game. Team consists of 3 forwards and 4 backs, and each team may nominate and use up to 5 replacements during a game. All players in rugby sevens must be skillful in both attack and defense, able to run quickly, pass accurately and tackle effectively to bring an opposing runner to the ground. Outlook for the Tokyo 2021 Games. A total of 12 teams will compete for medals in each of the men's and women's competition at Tokyo 2021. New Zealand, known as the All Black and the All Black Ferns, are the sport's traditional powerhouse in the 15-a-side game. Both teams have an overwhelming victory record, with the men having won 3 out of 9 Rugby World Cup tournaments and the women winning 5 of 8. In Rugby Sevens, it is Fiji's men who currently hold the crown as world and Olympic champions, having finished last season's World Rugby Sevens series as gold medals winners and taking Rugby Sevens' first ever Olympic title at Rio 2016. Their unique playing style attracts 7 fans from all over the world and embodies everything that is so appealing about the 7-a-side game. The standard of competition in both the men's and women's game is increasing year on year, and with the World Rugby Sevens Series 2020 featuring more tournaments than ever. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.